Underway here, men's 4x4. They're lined up this way. Cal State Fullerton B in 2, Riverside in 3, Northern Arizona A and 4, and they're out well. That's NAU A team in lane 4, getting out to an early lead. Lane 5 is Cal State Fullerton A team, and lane 6 is the Northern Arizona B squad. The A squad for Northern Arizona is scheduled to go Norris, Fisher, Kennedy, and Chenoweth. $47.9 for NAU.
All right, 3s and 4s, listen carefully.
Titans trying to stay right there, and they are. Those two out well. Cal State Fullerton now into the lead. Fullerton NAU. The Titans and the Lumberjacks. 48-6. 48-6 for Northern Arizona. Fullerton came from behind there, so a little bit faster for them. Northern Arizona now. UCR running in 3rd. Northern Arizona opens up 10 meters. 47-5 for the Lumberjacks. Riverside running 3rd, in the B teams from Northern Arizona and Cal State Fullerton. And it's all Northern Arizona here. Northern Arizona. $48-2 on the anchor. 3:12-23 for the win. Cal State Fullerton 3:15-60.